Some of the hardest working wear parts in your combine are your threshing elements and concaves. Making sure you're using the right components and that they're in good condition will ensure clean separation and minimal grain damage. John Deere offers a handy combine clearance gauge that makes it easy to check wear. First, check the threshing element. If the tool will go over the trailing edge, the element needs to be replaced. Next, check the separator tines by placing the edge of the gauge against the rotor to measure the length of each tine. Finally, use the corn or grain end, depending on your concave type, to measure wear. When replacing elements or tines, it's important to replace them in quantities of 3 to keep the rotor balanced. Reference your operator's manual for instruction regarding proper groups when replacing. Now, John Deere offers small wire concaves for small grains like wheat and barley. Round bar concaves are recommended for corn and soybeans. However, if you're also harvesting wheat, you can install concave inserts to avoid changing out the concaves. And large wire concaves are recommended for rice, sorghum, and confection sunflowers. Now, if you're replacing parts in an earlier model machine, or maybe John Deere parts just aren't in the budget, your John Deere dealer offers the value of choice with aftermarket alternatives from A&I products. A&I offers a few different styles of all makes concaves, including helical bar, round bar, narrow wire, wide wire, and slotted, all made by Lowen Manufacturing. Of course, we recommend scheduling an off-season inspection with your local dealer. John Deere dealers offer the best trained service technicians in the industry. Plus, with a complete portfolio of genuine John Deere parts and A&I products, we offer the right part at the right price.